Algebra 2, 7b. Add, subtract, and multiply polynomials. Simplify each difference. Actually, it should be each expression here. Okay, let's look at number 16. 4x cubed plus 1x to the fourth plus 1x minus 3x cubed plus 1x to the fourth plus 6x cubed. What we want to do is combine like terms. So let's add all the x to the fourth powers together. We have one right here and one right here. So 1 plus 1 would be 2. 2x to the fourth power. When we're adding terms together, the x to the fourth will stay the same. We won't put like x to the eighth or something. That's only when we multiply. And then let's add the cubes together. 4x cubed, negative x cubed, and 6x cubed. 4x cubed plus 6x cubed is 10x cubed. And then 10 minus 1 would be 9. So we put plus 9x cubed. And then let's add the x terms, which is just a plus 1x. And this would be your simplified expression. 2x to the fourth power plus 9x cubed plus x. Let's look at number 18. X plus 2 minus x squared minus x. So for this one, we want to distribute first and then combine the like terms. We're going to distribute a negative 1 into each of these terms on the right side. So we can rewrite x plus 2 without the parentheses because there's just a 1 there. 1 times x is x, 1 times 2 is 2. And then negative 1 times x squared is a minus 1x squared. Negative 1 times x is a minus 1x. From here, we'll combine like terms. Negative x squared, there's no other like terms there, so we're just going to put negative x squared right here. Let's add the x terms. X minus x is 0 x's, so we don't have to write that for a simplified expression. And then at the end, we have a plus 2. So our simplified expression is negative x squared plus 2. Let's look at the next ones. Find each product. Use the box method. Let's look at number 21. 5x minus 2 times 7x squared minus x plus 5. The box method is where you draw a rectangle, and then we're going to have 2 rows because we have 2 terms for this polynomial, 5x and a minus 2, and then we're going to draw 3 columns for your boxes for each of these 3 terms. We have 3 terms here and 2 terms. We have a binomial times a trinomial. And we'll write 7x squared minus 1x plus 5 right here. Now what you want to do is find the area of each of these boxes and then add them together to get your product. So let's find the area of the first box at the top left-hand corner. 5 times 7 is 35. X squared times x is x to the third power. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then let's find the area of the second box. 5 times negative 1 is a minus 5. X times x is x to 1 plus 1, which is x squared. Find the area of the next box. 5x times 5 is a plus 25x. Let's find the area of the next box in the second row, first column. Negative 2 times 7x squared is a negative 14x squared. Negative 2 times negative 1x is a plus 2x. And then negative 2 times 5 is a minus 10. Now from here, what we want to do is combine the like terms, which are these diagonals. We have minus 5x squared plus minus 14x squared. That would be a negative 19x squared. Okay, and then if we find the sum of this diagonal, 25x plus 2x, that's 27x. And then we have minus 10. And in the front, we're going to have 35x cubed. So this would be your simplified expression with 4 terms. 35x cubed minus 19x squared plus 27x minus 10. All right, let's look at number 26. We have 7x minus 5y times 8x minus 4y. We're still going to do the box method. So we'll draw our box. And we're going to have 2 rows for 7x and minus 5y. And then we're going to have 2 columns, one for 8x and one for negative 4y. We're going to find the areas of all 4 rectangles and then combine the like terms. The area of the first box, 8 times 7 is 56. X times x is x squared because we have a 1 here and a 1 here. Remember, you only do the exponent rules where you're multiplying and dividing, not where you're adding and subtracting. Let's find the area of the next box. 7x times negative 4y is negative 28xy. The area of the next box, we have negative 40xy. And then our last box would be a plus 20y squared. We want to combine like terms, and so we're going to add these two numbers together. Negative 40 plus negative 28 is negative 68 and then xy. And then we'll write what we have on the other 2 boxes. So we have 56x squared minus 68xy plus 20y squared. And there's no other like terms here because this is the only term with an x squared, the middle term is the only term with an xy, and the last term is the only term with a y squared. Go ahead and try some more of these on your own. Be sure to check the key in the back to check your work.